core idea behind launching the World Legends T20 League, and how is it different from the other Legend leagues?
Well, I think there was a white space because there were no Legends Leagues that happened in 2024 in India. So we felt that there was an opportunity. Obviously, our group comes from a very corporate background, and sports is something we're growing. And doing anything in sport, if we want to make it a big company, cricket is very important. So that's why we believe over the next few years this will become a significant event.
So why Goa was chosen for this key destination as a
I
key
think
destination?
Goa, for us, we wanted to take it to a city that doesn't get to see world-class cricket, either India or IPL, and we wanted a destination, and people loved coming to Goa, so cricketers are enjoying it here. So I think we made the right choice.
सर हाफ वे मैचेस अभी चल रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, तो उसको आप किस तरह से देखते हैं सर?
I'm very happy that the positive response. So hopefully, like I said, we're going to keep it in Goa for a few years and grow it every year.
सो कमिंग डेज ये आईपीएल की तरह ग्रो होएगा ऐसा लगता है सर?
Fingers crossed with your support. Thank you. guys.
Easy or difficult it was to get the player?
Not very. We convinced them pretty easily.
Okay, there's an option or something.
We had an auction in Delhi, yes.
Okay, and you said it took 1 year to finalize the
We had a 1 year planning. An event like this is very large, so we had a lot of time. But the players and the auction all was a smooth process.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.